Shrimp Tech Buzz, and we're back with the HiFiMan TWS 800, which we're going to talk about now. And I've hit the play button by mistake there. So, yes, quite a mixed reaction it is from people I know that have seen me wearing them, people have seen them on my social media, all that kind of stuff. And one thing I love is this case to get the ball rolling here. You've got USB-C charging and all that kind of stuff there. And that's really, it is a bigger case than normal, but it's nice. But over time, I don't know how it's going to look because of the finish on it there. But nonetheless, it is cool. So, there's a lot to talk about with these. We're missing things. We've no app. We have got no app, which is kind of disappointing from a pair of earbuds that cost this much. But that's just it, you know. And I've tapped it again. They're very, very sensitive there, as you probably noticed there, just even messing around. But they do look really, really cool. I've had a similar pair of earbuds that, sorry, were half the size it is in this kind of shape. But these look really cool. The finish on them is quite remarkable as well. And they look really cool. They're quite different to what's your standard fare out there with the earbud market. They are super high quality finished. Look cool, stand out, they're different, and they might be just a bit too big for some people's ears again, but that's it. The fit is great too, they fit really well. Passive noise isolation is great. You can see you've got left and right marking on it there, your charging points there, and they fit really well. You need to mess around with the ear tips, as you should do when you buy new earbuds to get the best experience. And since these have no app, you're going to need that for the passive noise isolation, because there's no ANC built in. But that's about it as far as it goes on the fit. When it comes to the sound, is a kind of mixed bag here. I've had better earphones, cheaper, they sound better. It's kind of, how would you put it? I find them excellent with voice, when you're listening to voice. But with music, films and stuff, it can be varied because of voice and other things going on in films. They can be a bit flat. There's a bit of bass there. But the voice I find is excellent on these. It's real, true to life kind of experience listening with voice, I find. But, you know, your highs, lows and mids and all are fine and all that kind of stuff that you're going to expect from your earbuds and your bass. But the thing is, there's no app to control the sounds and all that kind of stuff, which would have really helped with these, I think. So maybe it's something that HiFiMan can do, is build an app for their products. For example, if I've tried their headphones there recently, the Diva Pro, and they have no app. They just sound on a completely different level compared to these, which, you know, earbuds will never come to near sound what headphones sound like. But I found they pulled off the sound variants very well with the headphones, but with these, no. You know, it's a mixed bag. Some people will like them, some people will not. But the main thing for me is there's no app to control, there's no EQ, so you might have to mess around on your phone if you have one and see if it helps you out, but I find it doesn't really do it. They still deliver the same sound. The sound is crisp and clear, calls are crisp and clear, everything is crisp and clear, but it's kind of flat across the board, depending on the source and so on. So if you're listening to Spotify or music from YouTube, or if you've got MP3s, they're all going to sound different depending on where your source of music is, and it'll sound a bit better on either or. So you'll have to check in between the music codecs and all that kind of stuff as well. So we're going to show you how they work. Pretty simple. And again, I'd really say it to HiFiMan is to build an app if you can. You know, it will enhance the product. So you've got your left and you've got your right. So it's a single tap to play and pause. You've got volume control, which is good. So your volume is there too, which is cool, which is a double tap. So you can go up or down on either side, as you can see there, popping up on the screen. And you can skip a track by triple tapping, and you can reverse a track by triple tapping. And that's how they work nice and simple as well. And your calls are fine too, as I said, no problem. And if you press and hold, you can activate your voice assistant, which you'll see there now pop up. So whichever one that you use, it'll come up on the, it's good to see that the voice assistant is there. But you've got the basics. You've got your skip tracks, reverse tracks, your volume up and down, all that kind of stuff is there, and that's what all people really need. And you've got your voice control. So I'm just going to turn that there because YouTube might hear it. But that's really about it for the HiFiMan TWS 800. Smashing looking earbuds, smashing looking case. The sound is just too flat for me. But, you know, I've been listening to them. I've been wearing them for the last couple of weeks. You know, because I do find voice is very good on them. I find calls good. It's real crystal clear. And, you know, the thing is for me, you have to take into account the amount of earbuds I test. And they just seem to be below par, particularly for the price. But nonetheless, they sound good. You know, overall, they're fine. So it depends what kind of ears you have and what kind of tone you like to listen to. You know, that's just my opinion. But they look cool and they are a solid pair of earbuds. It's probably one of the best pair of built earbuds I've seen in a while. And of course this case to go with it. But that's really about it. If you've any other questions, feel free to ask down below. You've seen how they work there. They've got all the basics there, which is cool. And that's what most people want. But if you're a HiFiMan fan like I am, you'll have no problem if you've got a couple of their products in the house you can switch between. But coming from their headphones, the Diva Pro, which are superb, they're a bit of a letdown on the earbud side. But then again, as I said, you're not going to get earbuds that will sound like headphones. But that's just how things are today at the moment anyway. But again, you do need to get the right tips for them to fit in your ears properly. They are big, but if you get the right tips and get the passive noise isolation right, you'll be good to go. And that's about it for now. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And thanks to HiFiMan for sending these over. And this is their cool case here, which these will pop in, and you can see the lights come on there as well. And battery life isn't too bad either. I must not forget to mention that for a pair of earbuds as well. We can see more. We've talked about all that in the unboxing, and you'll have the written review up on site here on techbuzzrunning.com. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you then.